In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Mailchimp account in 2025. Whether you're securing your account or simply wrapping up your work, logging out properly is essential for maintaining the security of your information. Now let's walk through the steps together. First, let's start by navigating to the Mailchimp web interface. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Make sure you're using a secure connection over HTTPS to protect your data while you're logged in. Once you've logged into your Mailchimp account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here you'll see a variety of options and menus that allow you to manage your marketing campaigns, view your audience data, and handle other tasks that Mailchimp provides. Now, let's focus on the top right corner of the interface. You'll notice your profile icon, or perhaps your initials displayed here, is a small circle typically found in all user interface pages of Mailchimp. This little icon is your gateway to account settings and options. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. These options include account settings, profile details, support, and at the very bottom, the logout option. Gently scroll down this drop-down menu until you see Logout. This action is crucial, especially if you're using a public or shared computer, to ensure that your information remains secure and inaccessible to unauthorized users. Click on Logout. Now, depending on Mailchimp's security settings, you might encounter a confirmation prompt. This is a small step designed to protect against accidental logouts. All you need to do here is click Logout again when prompted. This additional confirmation is Mailchimp's way of ensuring you truly intended to log out of your account. And there you have it, you've successfully logged out of your Mailchimp account. It's a straightforward process, but turning it into a routine ensures your account stays secure each time you finish your Mailchimp session. Remember, this small step can prevent unauthorized access to your important business data, protecting both your privacy and your peace of mind. Thank you for watching and following along with today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Take care and happy emailing.